Good morning and welcome to another episode of the Campbell Chronicles here at Magic Kingdom. Having fun on some Space Ranger spin. Let's get this day started. We have a bunch of fun plans for you. We're gonna go do some Little Mermaid and have a lot of fun. And later this afternoon we do have some Lightning Lane tickets for Seven Dwarves Mine Train. Kind of been a crazy morning with a bunch of plans changing around just pretty quick. Got Autotopia done, got Buzz Lightyear done, got the People Mover done. I think we're ready to head out of Tomorrowland. We got some little one that's getting a little tired. We're gonna go feed her and hopefully she'll go on for a nap, and then we're gonna get on some more attractions, some more rides. For food, we're gonna go to Cosmic Rays. I have not been here. I've heard some negative things about this place, but it's one of those I wanna see for myself kind of deal. Kids got some cheeseburgers on the mobile order. We got a hot dog to share, and we'll go from there. Now down at Cosmic Rays now, just right next to Sony Eclipse here, we have dug in. Jackson, how was your cheeseburger? Your bacon cheeseburger?
My cheeseburger is actually really good. It just has all this cheese and bacon. The bread is kind of buttery.
My burger is phenomenal. With the cheese, the bacon, the bread, and the ketchup, it's so good.
The hot dog is better than expected. It's really tender, but still really juicy, and I cannot believe how long this thing was. Robert and I are easily sharing it.
All right, let's see if we can do this without making a complete mess. That's a good beef dog. That's really good. Family of 5 for just about 50 bucks, under 50 bucks at Cosmic Rays. Not bad. Not bad when you're in a pinch.
It's time for Little Mermaid!
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride? Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. Cause we're flying colors now. Stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. Taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be your...
The Little Mermaid was awesome. I liked when they got married, and yeah, it was so fun.
So on our way over to Small World, we saw that it was only a 20-minute wait, so we were gonna do that, but then we saw Gaston's Tavern, and we tell ourselves every time we come here that we're gonna stop and get a cinnamon roll. We just never do. So we stopped what we're doing, we're grabbing a cinnamon roll, and look how monstrous these things are. They are huge. They look absolutely amazing. Let's give them a shot here.
I love it with the berry flavor and the chocolate flavor. It really mixes up.
Okay, we're gonna test out this Donald Dome and see What's inside?
Looks pretty good.
It's sweet, but it's that perfect in between sweet and tart. There's a tiny bit of tartness in it too. But really creamy. I don't even know what it is. But the cream in there just blends perfectly. Okay, this thing is monstrous. I don't even think I can cut all the way through to make it half. Here we go. Oh, so it's nice and crispy on the outside, but soft on the inside. There we go. That icing is all over. Perfect amount of cinnamon too.
Here we go. I got a big bite here, so I'm just gonna take a piece off. Okay. Yep. That icing is very good. Got a little crispness to its outside, but the warmth and gooiness on the inside. That's pretty good. All right, well, we still have the low light lens on. We're heading straight over to Peter Pan. I'm excited. I think I got you guys some good shots there with this new low light lens that I have. So hopefully it'll all work out. Let's go get on some Peter Pan though.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Y'all, it's time to hold on to your hats and glasses. Best remove them. It's time for the wildest ride in the wilderness. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Laurel, you ready?
Yeah.
Jackson, how was it, dude? All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today. Thanks for joining us today. If you found value in what you saw today, hit that like button and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section, is the Magic Kingdom a place on your list of places to visit or something else? We do have a cruise coming up here in the next couple days. It's a 7-night cruise. The itinerary completely got shifted. It's gonna be completely different, but we're still happy for it. It's still the Star Wars Day at Sea. So let's go have some fun with that. We'll see you guys next time, and remember, adventure is out there.
So don't just fly, soar.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place.